an elastic file system or EFS. So EFS is a simple serverless set and forget elastic file system which helps in sharing the data without provisioning or managing the storage. So basically it can be used with AWS cloud services and on-premise resource, and it also provide on demand to petabyte. So it helps in reducing the cost. Benefits: POSIX compliant, shared file storage, scalable performance. So it provides throughput, IOPS and low latency. Dynamic elasticity can be achieved, fully managed, very cost effective, security and compliance. So how it works? So basically when the user uses the elastic file system, so either EC2 or container service or Lambda or servers, we can use this, test and optimize, then move the data and finally share the data. So how to get it? Sign into AWS Management Console. From all services, search elastic file system. There we can create elastic file system, and these are the different pricing. So standard storage, standard infrequent access storage, one zone storage, one zone infrequent access storage, infrequent access request, provision throughput. So different pricing schemes are there. Similarly we can set the access point. Then if you want, you can take the backup, data synchronization and transfer. So when the user click on elastic file system creation, it asks for elastic file system name, then VPC. So whether you want to specify the default VPC or you can create your own VPC. Then regional or one zone. So if it is regional, then the data can be stored redundantly across multiple AZs, multiple availability zones. But if it is one zone, then store the data with a single availability zone. So the user has to specify which availability zone he or she has to use. Now in regional, there is no need to specify because the same data is redundant across multiple availability zone. So in this way we can create a file system. Then we can define the access point. We can create the access point who are going to use this elastic file system, POSIX user ID, group ID, root directory, all these things the user has to specify. After that, the elastic file system can be easily accessed, or we can share the data without provision, without managing.